All right guys, so service done here at Tesla North York at Railside, just picking up the Model X. Yep, windshield is complete. Looks like it's complete. It's a little bit dirty though, but it is what it is. One thing I do notice is sometimes when I do come here, sometimes, I mean all the time, every single time I come here, my seats are dirty. I guess my seats are, what the hell is this? See, this is what I mean, like why is this left behind? Look at this. That's how dirty they left this. That's obviously from the guy's shoes. Like, this is what I mean, like this is not how, don't get me wrong, the outside of the car is super dirty because it's been being used during winter time, but the inside was not like this. Anyways, it's dirty. Anyways, yeah, there's some dirt over there. Okay, anyways, my key's not here. All right, so much for not having to go inside. Damn it. What is this over here? Looks like there's some nonsense over there as well. Okay, well, yeah, like I said, it's pretty dirty. They don't clean your car after they work on it because they feel like they don't have to. Anyways, the windshield is done and I'll show you guys the total in a couple seconds. All right, story time. I got into the car and I tried to leave the parking spot and it said key not in car, and I'm like, well, that's weird because they always put the key in the car when you're leaving so you don't have to go inside. So there was no key in the car, so I just turned it on with my phone and then I went inside. Half an hour, guys, half an hour to get my key. What is going on, man? Like, I know the service is terrible and it's gotten a bit better, but half an hour, they first asked me for my last name to pull up my file. You think that'd be good enough? Or my phone number, because that pulls up your file too. And then they asked me for my VIN number and I'm just like, okay. But no, they found my key after half an hour. I don't get it. I don't understand it. And this is with almost every service place I've been to so far for Tesla. They're I don't understand it. Are they that busy that they can't take 2 seconds to clean the inside of your seats where they're white? And, well, I mean, not white when you get them back because they're gray and black, the people working on them. It's always something. At least with me. At least that's what I figured. At least with me bringing the car here. But yeah, got the car, headed home. I'll show you guys the total coming up.
A few moments later.
All right, so I can pull up the invoice and everything from the app. The app has everything. The app is actually really, really useful and it works great. I think other car manufacturers should be implementing it. It's actually really convenient, to be honest with you. So that's actually probably one of the best things about the Tesla service thing. Actually, probably the only good thing about the Tesla service procedure or program or anything like that. But here's the invoice. It is paid. It is paid. Get off me. Model X windshield. So there's the Model X windshield. Quantity 1, unit price 2,055, subtotal 2,055. Correction windshield, vehicle with second generation or later autopilot hardware, remove and replace. There's a 430 for that, and I believe that is to remove the sensors from the windshield. So basically it's 2,055 for the windshield, 430 for the labor, subtotal of 2,485.50, tax 323.12, and the total estimated price was 2902.63, but the total amount came to 2808.62. So that was the amount for the repair on the windshield. The car is in here right now. It's gone. It's gone. Now that's because Elaine is actually on the road right now using the Model X. You can see, look at that. I love the animation. The little simple things that make me happy. The car kind of has like this nice little graphic. The wheels are turning. Which is awesome. I've done a video on this before, but yeah, it's cool. It tells me what she's listening to. It's kind of cool. It tells me where she's going. She has navigation put in. But yeah, anyways, everything is on the service. You can pull up all the information on the service. And I think there's a blue button here because I can do a feedback. Yeah, I can share my feedback. But that was my windshield replacement for the Model X, unfortunately. Hopefully I don't have to do that again. But I mean, what can you do? It is what it is. Wintertime, rocks flying off trucks, semis, ice flying off trucks because people are too lazy to clean it off. And yeah, that's just what happens. But yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. Until the next one.